Chapter 28 Spotlight Effect. Your social anxiety will truly melt when you accept the fact that you are not the main character in someone else's movie. It really is that simple. Have you ever had that moment where you thought you were being watched? Or you felt so self-conscious about how you looked that you weren't even paying attention to the dialogue? You felt like you were a celebrity being analyzed for everything. Sound familiar? Wow, yeah. All in your head. The spotlight effect makes you think there is a spotlight on you magnifying each of your moves. We are conditioned to be the main characters of our world. So, we assume everyone else thinks the same. But in reality, others are too busy thinking their moves are being analyzed. Pretty funny when you think about it. Once you truly internalize this concept, you will feel liberated.